So let's start right away by boiling the potatoes. There's gonna be a recipe down below sa description box, so don't worry. So let's just boil the potatoes for about 30 to 40 minutes until fork tender. You're gonna know when it's done when a knife or a fork goes through. So yeah, that's a pro tip, I guess. So we're doing mashed potatoes first so we can have some leftover mashed potatoes, and then we're gonna do the croquettes. So watch till the end because this is gonna be really exciting. So once the potatoes are very tender, fork tender, knife tender, whatever you call it, peel them while they're hot. Mag-ingat kayo kasi it's really hot. And then run it through a strainer like what I'm doing here, and then we're gonna make the mashed potatoes. Not gonna use my hand, I'm gonna use a spatula. It's really hot. When we're using a strainer to get this kind of texture that will make your mashed potato really smooth and creamy. So fast forward, this is gonna be a cheesy mashed potato. I forgot to mention. Just add the cheese, followed by the butter, the egg yolks, season with salt and pepper. Give it a partial mix, then finish off with cream and paprika. And there you go, the most amazing cheesy, easy mashed potatoes. Now, even this consistency or this texture is really good, but we're gonna level this up by adding some paprika for some smoky flavor, and of course, some cream to make it more creamy, obviously. And now give it a final mix. Mix very well. You don't want some lumps, or avoid some lumps as much as possible. And we're just gonna serve this up. Wait for a couple of days. In my case, a couple of minutes. And then we're gonna make some croquettes from our leftover mashed potatoes. So to serve, simply transfer to a plate or to a boil. Anong boil? To a bowl. And then serve. Eat. Enjoy. But this goes well with some meat or poultry or whatever you want. That looks so nice. So yeah, get some steaks. Kung wala kayong steaks, pork belly. Top it off with paprika and a little bit of salt and pepper. And that is it for the mashed potatoes. Let's proceed to the croquettes. We'll just assume we're gonna use some leftover mashed potatoes, but yeah, we just made those. So prepare the breadcrumbs, flour, and eggs. Season the breadcrumbs with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of cayenne for some heat or spicy kung gusto nyo. If not, this is optional. So let's just form those potatoes into a cylinder or somewhat a cork. Remember, this is a lot easier kung yun nga, if leftover mashed potatoes yung ginagamit nyo, because it is much more firm than this fresh one. Medyo malambot talaga siya. So it is pretty hard to form or pretty hard to shape. So just see what I'm doing here. Dredge it in flour, followed by some eggs and then breadcrumbs. And we're just simply gonna fry these bad boys up, and we're gonna enjoy the croquettes. So yeah, as you can see, fast forward ko na lang because I'm struggling a little kasi ang lambot talaga ng mashed potatoes. Then again, it is way better if you're gonna use probably a day old of mashed potatoes. This will make your life easier. But this is totally worth it for you guys. So we're just gonna continue doing, we're gonna continue struggling. But yeah, watch till the end, please. So you'll see, we're very close to the end. We're gonna fry this in a bit. So this is the form or the shape that you're somewhat looking for. Sorry, it's not perfect. Yun nga ang hirap talaga when you have this malambot na mashed potatoes. And then just Yun, fast forward. I just finished all the leftover mashed potatoes and we're gonna fry these bad boys up. So to fry, simply deep fry those. Pero I'm kind of short of oil, so shallow fry ko na lang. And then I'm just gonna flip them in maybe a couple of minutes. And we're gonna fry them until golden brown for about maybe 6 minutes to 7 minutes. We'll see. I'm not gonna time it. But yeah, I think it would be done in 7 minutes. And after that, we're just gonna go ahead and serve this up. This is the perfect comfort food and this still goes well as a side kung ayaw nyo mag-rice or mag-mashed potatoes but you want that fatty, crispy potatoes instead of rice. Do this. This is quite easy, especially yun. If you have some leftover mashed potatoes, might as well do this kesa naman itapon nyo na lang. I'm not really consistent with the time, but after 6 minutes and 47 seconds, this is the color that you're looking for. Perfect and gorgeous golden brown. Let's just drain this very well because yun nga, ang dami ng mantika. There's a lot of oil. And we're gonna plate this up and enjoy. So now just transfer it to your favorite plate and please do enjoy these croquettes from leftover mashed potatoes. If you like this one, if you want to learn how to cook, please do hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. If not, it's up to you. Konsensya nyo na lang. But yeah. Oh, by the way, top it off with some salt and pepper to make it way perfect.